Low carb baking in California. So eto, tinesting naman natin ang ating mga recipes dito sa California. Syempre medyo kakaiba, namili tayo ng ating mga ingredients and yung ating mga wet ingredients talagang nilagay muna natin sa room temperature. Yes, big factor po talaga ang humidity, ang temperature, ang lamig. So medyo kakaiba and I am actually practicing and testing them out. But then, of course, ang maganda naman, kumpleto. Of course, kumpleto naman ang mga ingredients dito. So, straight from our book, I am making this churro donuts. It's a combination of almond and coconut flours. At available naman dito, we have unsalted butter, and kung wala ka unsalted butter, you can also use coconut oil. So, napakasimple ng recipe na ito. Mix all the wet ingredients and then add all the dry ingredients. And of course, kung gusto mo ng recipe na ito, avail ka na ng ating low carb baking book 2. Alright, so this is exclusively distributed by Little Retail PH locally, nasa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok shops ni Little Retail PH. And kung gusto mo naman ng digital version, available din naman yan. So just send us a message at Keto Baking with Coach Jay dito sa ating Facebook page. Alright, so there you have it at okay naman. Maganda naman ang naging resulta at dahil hindi ko ito kusina, syempre, we are adjusting sa mga available tools and equipments na available sa ngayon dahil kinukompleto pa natin. Okay? And maganda naman, kaya naman. We can adjust and create and bake this delish recipe. For our donut molds, napakaganda naman kasi non-stick ang mga pans na ito, but you still have to grease them with either butter or coconut oil or avocado oil. O diba, social? Yan ang available dito. And since wala akong start tip and wala akong frosting bag, gumamit tayo ng Ziploc bag. At yan natin nilagay yung ating donut batter, gupitin lang natin ang dulo, and there you have it. Pwede mo nang gawin yung donuts na ito. So this is our actually churro donuts, no? Made of almond flour and coconut flour and cinnamon. So cinnamony ang dating ng mga donuts na ito. And of course, after lagyan natin sa pan, dapat naka-preheat na rin ang ating oven. And there you have it. Kumpleto naman yung ating mga low-carb baking ingredients at maganda naman ang pagkakabake ng ating donuts. So, avail na kayo ng ating low-carb baking book 2. Happy low-carb baking mga ka-low-carb bakers. Have a great day and God bless.